English fluently. Amir, Aslam, Anita, Deepa, Radhika, Shahina. On behalf of Mind, I would like to congratulate and wish you all the best. Thank you, Anu ma'am and Alagananda ma'am, for your love and support. I also like to thank Aaron Krishna Kumar for trusting me with this coordinating these sessions. I think we can start our programs today. Anu ma'am, if you may.
Very warm good evening, one and all gathered here. It's my immense pleasure and privilege to share this venue with everyone. And I would be actually, I this moment I sincerely express my apology because due to some personal reason I had to take a break from this venture. And I would like to appreciate Mind Trust for this great initiative, which is like a great milestone in Mind Trust, I would say. So, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, first of all. And Poonam also, I would like to appreciate Poonam for your sincere coordinatorship and all, leadership, and very proactive, sincere coordinator you are. Okay, thank you so much for the wonderful coordination. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants here. I don't want to mention them as students. It's like a mutual sharing. Learning experience for all of us. I hope they all will agree with me, right? Okay. And it's like I was so close to them, and moreover that no, each one of them took a part in my heart. They all got a space in my heart, definitely. So I don't feel that I'm missing them. I think few of them are not here today. Deepa is there today. Deepa is not there. Shahina, Aslam is there.
Yes, ma'am, Deepa is
Shahina,
also there.
yeah, Deba is also there. Okay, okay, fine. So it's like a wonderful. I don't know how much I could contribute to you all, but it was a wonderful learning experience for me too. And this was my first experience to teach in English. I'm not a master or I'm not a great person in English language. As well as my concern, any language, if you want to learn, it's an opportunity to learn. Correct. And any extra language is an additional qualification to our profile. So definitely it was a great pleasure and great opportunity, great sharing experience. And if I want to, I mean, if you want me to, describe the experience and the improvement, I can see in your face itself. See the confidence level. When the first class, when we started beginning, I had a tough time because nobody was ready to open the mouth because they were scared of me. I don't know whether scared of English. I don't know. They were all like reluctant to talk. But slowly, slowly, we broke the ice. We started talking. We started communicating, and after 2 3 sessions, I could see real improvement in everyone, each one of them. And I don't want to mention anyone personally because it's like it's not a good thing. And Prajit was there in initially with our sessions, but then due to some other reason he could not join. And each one of you, like Amir and Anita, Aslam, and Radhika, Shahina, Deepa, and everybody, they also put their own effort and they were ready to learn and their open heart and open mind, which I really appreciate because see, if you want to learn something, first of all, you should have a receptive or open mind, correct? See, if you want to fill something in a pot or a glass, you have to empty first. If it is very full, you cannot. Or if it is full with something else, also you cannot fill it. Yeah. So they were all like very receptive and they were ready to learn. That is the first encouraging gesture from their side. So it was easy for me too. So then we started slowly, slowly. Then after 2 3 sessions, we got we like assigned something to video making or something. So they all did a wonderful job. And later, they again the same assignments with some other topic we did. That we could see the real improvement in each one of them. They were very fluent, very confident, Yeah. First of all, if you want to learn a new language, first of all, you should be like, no, okay, you should be friend with that language. Yeah. Instead of treating like an enemy, you should be friend with that language. And we started learning new words, vocabulary we added. I'm sure that now you people are ready to chase any new words every day, maybe, right? Yeah. Hope you will
Hello.
agree with me. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and the journey started. I can't believe that it's so fast. It completed almost 3 years. Initially, we had 15 members, but see, this learning experience is not meant for everyone. Those who are ready only they can learn. So I'm sure that these out
ഞങ്ങളുടെ
of
വീട്ടിൽ
those
ചെയ്യുന്ന
15 participants, only few of them were very really ready to learn something new. So we started the journey, and I don't know. See, learning never ends. Learning never stops in our life. Lifelong learning experience, right? So it is not like that we have learned, okay, so we are going to stop it. So rest is your part. You are going to nourish, or you are going to enrich your learning experience in your personal life. I hope you all enjoyed this session, and each one of you, I really congratulate each one of you and wish you all the very best to each one of you. And I'm sure that you will shine in your life. You will come up with flying colors. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Krishna Kumar and Prajit, or trusting me. And of course, I would like to thank Miss Alakananda also, because wonderful support she has given to me, because I had to leave because of some reason. That time she came up and she supported our participants. So thank you, everyone. Wish you all the very best and never stop learning. You must have seen that during this pandemic season, people are joining for online classes, then they are getting lots of certificates throughout their learning. So it this is not for a certificate, this is not for a degree, not like that, but we utilize, instead of, I mean, like, we had lots of adverse situation, like sometimes we had a problem with network, and sometimes we had some other issues, personal issues, but you all were ready to spend your time to learn something, right? That is great thing. And don't stop it also, don't stop it here. Learning should be continuous. Okay. Wish you all the very best, and I really appreciate and congratulate Mindtrust for this great venture. Wish you all the very best to everyone. Love and prayers always. I'll be there always. Please don't feel course is over. We are away. No, you can anytime you can text me, or you can call me. Okay, I'll be there for you every time. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Poonam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Alangnada, ma'am, if you may say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Sure.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anu ma'am has already given all the valuable points, and for me, it was a real pleasure to engage with you all. Although I had a very few classes, but it was a very engaging experience. I got a lot to learn, so it's actually a gratitude from my part for you, means towards you. And the most important thing I noted or I learned from you was that you all were not afraid of making mistakes. That was something I haven't learned all these years after learning English. I did my master's in English. Even now, I am not. Um, I will be afraid to speak at times because of the fear of making mistakes. But you never did that, and maybe because of Anu ma'am's first classes, I didn't feel like taking a lot of effort to get you engaged. You were already set with everything. after I think the first class was we had a little communication trouble, but after that, you all picked up in a day. That was amazing, and all of you are very enthusiastic. As Anu ma'am said, you all are ready to learn. That's the most important thing. I was actually amazed by that. I remember one day when I called Krishnet, and he told me that they will show some reluctance in the beginning, but I never felt that. It was a beautiful thing that happened during the Patamic session, and I congratulate all of you for taking this effort. It is daring because we are all facing this situation. All are not in a kind of mood to attend classes, and although we are, but it was a beautiful experience for me. Thank you, everyone. That's what I want to say. And thank you, Mind Trust, for giving me this opportunity. And of course, thank you, Poonam, for always reminding me, because I often forget. And the timings also, she always took an effort to keep it all go well. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for Anu ma'am and making a success at the end. Thank you so much. Thank you both. And now I would like, I think Amir has something to say.
Everyone is going to speak today, right?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone is going to speak today. No one is going to stay back.
Yeah.
Let's start with Amir.
Hi, ma'am, Mama Krishnaitan, and to all. It's a great opportunity to study English through this online. Past few years, I have tried many ways to learn English, but it's not working. Slowly, I have studied myself, watching movie program, reacting, reading articles, but it's still enough time, not for me. Then after I joined Mind, it's not like you. After the opportunity to study English than it was I wanted. The first class I had a little tension. Then had a little tension and fear to speak English, but Anima made everyone comfortable when with all classes. With each of class, English speaking conference kept coming every day. We talked about new books, anything else about movies. All of the class up today by giving new things, new knowledge every day. Today's the class is coming to end. This class is very helpful for me. Thank you, Anna ma'am and Alalananda ma'am, for your wonderful classes. Thank you, Mind, for coordinating and making a wonderful session for English class. Thank you, Puna, for your support was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Amir. And Amir is the most keen student of the scrub. He is the one who always say, "Okay, ma'am, I'll tell you. I have an opinion about everything." And his confidence has improved like anything. So congratulations, Amir, and keep in touch with English.
Also,
Now,
Amir, thank you. Thank you for always helping with the technicalities.
yes, he is our tech guy. Now would like to call upon Anita.
Yes, good evening to all. I really enjoyed this. I pretend more information for the we teach and class is very useful. I think he gave me more context for stand when Mom's class is outstanding. The smile with the teaching is very interesting and friendly. Thank you, Anu. managed to for the subject that is was very interesting also. That's all.
Thank you, Anita. And she is our best student because Anita was present in every class. Even though she had no picture, she attended the class.
Yes, 100% attendance award goes to Miss Anita. I would say.
Anita. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Anita. And always be confident. I would like to call upon Aslam. Aslam, you're here? Aslam?
Yes.
Yeah, Aslam has also promised to present a mimicry for us. So yes, I'm expecting that also from you, Aslam.
Okay. First of all, thank you for the wonderful opportunity from Mind. We have all thanking to Alagananda ma'am and Anu ma'am. We are our two legends are here. Our guide, our teachers are here. We are very exciting to hear your for long days ago. Anu ma'am, hi ma'am. We will.
Yes,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Aslam. Nice to hear from you after a long time.
Thank you. Then I think it is 2 months to go. Very. We are thanking for the Speakers Club, and especially Tulanam is the best coordinator. Goes to award. She is a good coordinator. Then thank you.
Thank you, Aslam. Aslam, what about your promise on mimicry? Can we hear that?
Okay. Thank you. First of all,
Alangana ma'am, you are going to have a blast because he is the best.
okay. First of all, Dulkar. Hello. നിങ്ങളത് താമസിക്കാൻ പറയുന്നത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പാതല്ല ശരിയാണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാ എനിക്കല്ല അറിയത്തില്ല ഈ കാലെല്ലാം കൂടെ പോവാ അത് കയറി ഞാനങ്ങ് പോവാ ഓക്കെ ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ വിനായകൻ അതൊക്കെ ഇഷ്ടം ഇത് ഞാൻ എന്താ ഒരു തന്നിട്ടാൽ Sana വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല അതൊന്നും നടക്കൂടാ തനയ്ക്കണം തനയുന്നില്ലെന്നൊക്കെ തിന്നെന്തിനാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത് കാശുണ്ടാക്കി തീറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടൊക്കെയാണ് തനയ്ക്കണം തനയെന്നെ അടുത്തതായി ശ്വാസകോശം സ്പോഞ്ച് പോലെയാണ് അത് വലിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ എഴുതത്തിലെത്തിയത് എന്നാൽ ചിലർ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു ഒരു ശരാശരി തുക ധരിക്കാറുണ്ട് ശ്വാസകോശത്തിലെ കറുത്തെടുത്തെടുത്താൽ അത് ഏകദേശം ഇത്രത്തോളമായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങളെ രോഗിയാക്കാൻ ഇത് മതി വലിയ രോഗി ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു
Oh my goodness, Aslam, I never knew you had got this talent.
No, Aslam, wait, you didn't give your best performance. Where is Lal? I want to hear Lal.
കൃഷ്ണാട്ടൻ എന്തോ സംശയം ചോദിക്കുന്നു.
Aslam.
Good evening, everyone.
Okay, hello Deepa.
Hi.
Okay, you may speak.
I am not prepared in this.
No need of preparation.
Prepared to say in this meeting. What I say? We are lot of miss you, ma'am.
Deepa, you share your experience. How did the class help you?
The class is so interesting, ma'am. And we are well. I can't eat.
No problem. So your confidence level has improved or not?
Confidence level is improved.
Okay. You started learning new words?
Yes, new word. So many words are study two new words.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll move to the next person then. Shall we?
Yes, Krishnamar is little afraid of talking. Krishnamar, next batch, you are the first student, okay?
That's what. Krishna Kumar and Prajit, they really missed our classes.
Okay, now I would like to invite Radhika.
Hi, good evening. Good evening, Animam and Alaganandama. It is a good opportunity in my life. It has been English. It has been 3 months. We started our English classes. I have missed a lot few classes. I can now improve speak English language. The class missed a lot. Then Miss a lot. Anu ma'am and Alagananda ma'am. Thank you. Good coordinator. Poonanjiti is good coordinator. Thank you, Poonanjiti. Thank you, Anu ma'am, Alagananda ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, Radhika. She is only student who I have scolded a lot because for missing many classes. That was the most important classes. So as a punishment, I request you to sing a song for us.
Radhika, 2 lines, please.
Okay, ma'am. മേലേ മാനം നീലെ മഞ്ഞിൻ കൂടാരം അതിലാരോ നിറദീപം താത്തുന്നു മേലേ മാനം നീലെ മഞ്ഞിൻ കൂടാരം അതിലാരോ നിറദീപം ചാർത്തുന്നു വേനൽക്കിനാവിന്റെ ചെപ്പിൽ വീണമയങ്ങുമെൻ മുത്തേ നിന്നെ തരുകി തലോടാൻ നിർവൃതിയുടെ പുണരാൻ ജന്മാന്തരത്തിൻ പുണ്യം പോലെ ഏതോ ബന്ധം പോലെ നെഞ്ചിൽ കനക്കുന്നു മോഹം മേലേ മാനം നീളെ മഞ്ഞിൻ കൂടാരം അതിലാരോ ആരാരോ നിറദീപം താഴ്ത്തുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shahina.
We love you, Anuma and Alagananda ma'am. Poonam Jechi.
Thank you, dear. Shahina.
Hello, may I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much, Mind and Anu ma'am, Alagananda ma'am, Poonam. I was very terribly afraid to speak in English, but this class is very help to me speaking and everything. So thank you so much.
Shahina is
Shahina was
our,
very enthusiastic learner. Yeah.
yeah, she's the
Continue,
black
Poonam.
sheep. Shahina was our black sheep. She just kept on silent, but when she emerged with a blast.
Correct.
Okay, now I would like to ask Anu ma'am and Alagananda ma'am to present certificates to our participants. Jabir, we will share the screen and you can say the names. Is that okay, ma'am?
Yeah. Congratulations, Radhika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shahina, great going. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations. Diva, don't give up and come up with flying colors, okay? Aslam, you're a great learner and you're a great speaker, okay? Fulfill your dreams, fly high. Congratulations,
Thank
Aslam.
you. Thank you.
Amir, you are a very hard working student, Amir. Congratulations, Amir.
Thank you.
Anida, you are also very enthusiastic learner. I know that you will shine in your life and flying with flying high. Oliver, I missed Oliver here today. He is the one, was very reluctant to talk. Congratulations, Oliver. Shahida is there today. Shahida, congratulations.
So they couldn't attend many classes, but they were present for me. So participation. Thank you, Jabir.
You invite Krishna and Prajit.
Yes, now I would like Krishna Umar and Prajit to present ma'am and Anu ma'am and Alagananda ma'am with the certificate. Jabir, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being there for us, for your support and for the love and care you've given us. And we really are grateful to your time and care. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Always. Poonam, can I speak?
Yes, Krishna, you may.
Okay. Thank you, all of you. I'm extremely happy to sit here on behalf of Mind. I'm glad to see these beautiful students and excellent faculties. Thank you, all of you. All the best. Thank you, Alagananda, my dear sister. Thank you, my dear elder brother, Anushashi. And thank you, Poonam. You are an excellent coordinator. Love you, dear. Love you, students. All the best. Love you. Wake up. Most quick. 746. Quick.
Thank you, Krishna. Prajiteta.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
No, we are strict rule of English.
ഞാനിപ്പോ മലയാളത്തിൽ
But
തന്നെ,
it's okay.
കാരണം എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത് മുഴുവൻ പറയണേ മലയാളത്തിൽ തന്നെ പറയണേ.
Okay, a session for you.
അപ്പം ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇപ്പൊ എന്താ പറയേണ്ടതെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല. കാരണം വളരെ സന്തോഷം. കാരണം ഈ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് വളരെ കുറച്ച് കുറെ ആളുകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ അവസാനം ആകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് കുറച്ച് ആളുകളാണെങ്കിലും തുടങ്ങുന്ന സമയത്ത് ആളുകളൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര പരിഭ്രമിച്ച്, ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ഒരു 4-5 ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളെങ്കിൽ പോലും എല്ലാവരും വളരെ പരിഭ്രമിച്ച് പറയുന്ന ഒരു അവസ്ഥയിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ ലെവലിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ച അനുചേച്ചിക്ക് അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അളകനന്ദ മിസ്സിനും ഒരുപാട് സ്നേഹം. കാരണം അനുചേച്ചി വളരെ തിരക്കുകൾക്കിടയിൽ പോലും വന്ന് ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാൻ കാണിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഈ ഒരു കാര്യം എനിക്കറിയാം. അപ്പൊ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഒന്നും നമ്മളൊക്കെ ഒന്നും ആദ്യം പലപ്പോഴും ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. പക്ഷെ അനുചേച്ചി കൃത്യസമയത്ത് എത്തിയിട്ട് അത് ചെയ്തു. അതിന്റെ വലിയൊരു റിസൾട്ട് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായി. പിന്നെ കൃത്യമായിട്ട് പൂനം അത് കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. അളകനന്ദ മിസ്സിനെ ഞാൻ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടിട്ടില്ല. കാരണം എനിക്ക് ശരിക്കും പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ആളുകളുടെ മുന്നിൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയാൻ പറ്റാത്തതിന്റെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം കൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ചിന്തിച്ചപ്പോഴായിരുന്നു ശരിക്കും മൈൻഡിൽ ഒരു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്ലാസ് തുടങ്ങണം എന്നുള്ളത്. പക്ഷെ പല കാരണങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ടും എനിക്ക് അത് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. കാരണം ഞാൻ ആ കാര്യം കൃഷ്ണനോട് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ തന്നെ അനുചേച്ചിനോട് ആണ് ഏറ്റവും നല്ലതെന്ന് പറയുകയും അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ ക്ലാസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്തത്. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് നിർഭാഗ്യവശാൽ എനിക്ക് പറ്റിയില്ല. പക്ഷേ കാരണം എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഒരു തിരക്കും ക്യാമ്പയിനിങ്ങും ഒക്കെ ആയപ്പോൾ മൊത്തത്തിൽ ബിസിയായി. എന്തായാലും വളരെ സന്തോഷം. ആരോടും നന്ദിയല്ല, അനുചേച്ചിയോട് പ്രത്യേകിച്ച്. കാരണം ഈ ഒരു ലെവലിലേക്ക് എങ്കിലും എത്തിച്ചു. അടുത്ത സ്റ്റേജിൽ എനിക്ക് ഉറപ്പാണ് ഇനിയും ഒരുപാട് നല്ല രീതിയിലേക്ക് ഇവരൊക്കെ മോട്ടിവേഷണൽ സ്പീക്കേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ തന്നെ പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ലെവലിലേക്ക് മാറുന്ന ഉറപ്പാണ്. കാരണം ആദ്യം തന്നെയുള്ള ഒരു ചടപ്പ് അങ്ങ് മാറി കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലെവലിൽ ഇപ്പം പറയാൻ പരിഭ്രമിച്ച് നിൽക്കുന്ന ആളുകളൊക്കെ വളരെ നന്നായിട്ട് പറയും. അപ്പം എന്തായാലും അനുചേച്ചിക്കും പൂനത്തിനും അളകനന്ദ മിസ്സിനും എല്ലാത്തിനും ഉപരി ഇതിൽ കൃത്യമായി പങ്കെടുത്ത മൈൻഡിലുള്ള മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുപാട് സ്നേഹം. ഇനിയും മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ കഴിയട്ടെ. എല്ലാവർക്കും സർവേശ്വരൻ എല്ലാ അനുഗ്രഹവും നൽകിയിട്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ കഴിയട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം. എനിക്കിവിടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയണമെന്നൊക്കെ ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ, അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഞാൻ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പൊ റെഡി.
You can try two words if possible.
Prajit talks very well. I don't know, maybe new people are there in the meeting. Prajit talks very well. I know that.
അല്ല, അതാവായിട്ടില്ല. പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പം ഇത്രയും നന്നായിട്ട് ഇവര് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കൊള്ളാക്കണ്ടെന്ന് കരുതിയിട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈം I will try my level best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Alagananda ma'am, there is also a certificate for you too. Jabir, if you can present. Ma'am, thank you, sir. Alagananda ma'am, thank you so much for filling in shoes of Anu ma'am and taking this class to the next level. And you have taught a lot very patiently. And thank you so much, ma'am. And we wish to see more of you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. This is so sweet. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, so I wish everyone, Anu ma'am, Ananda ma'am, and each students a very best. And thank you all for joining today. And we will see for next batch. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Love you all.
Have a good evening too.
Love you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you.
Keep in touch, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you,
Okay, that is thank you, Jabir, and thank you, Krishnada. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, and see you also.
Thank you, Poonam.
Thank you.
Thank you. Certificates will be mailed to you.
So is the next batch or continuous batch? What is the plan?
No, 3, 8.
I don't know. Krishna,
2, 1.
I don't know. Krishna is the head. Krishna, are we having?
No, I am not the head. You are the coordinator of this project. You decide and we go. We all with
No,
you.
what
We
I
all
would
with
suggest,
you. Don't worry.
we should have a review. We should have a review meeting. Prajit, Krishna, Poonam.
Poonam.
We should have a
Poonam
review
and
meeting.
Alagananda.
Yeah, correct. That's what are the area we need to improve, and which are the area we can know, how can we make more participants in the class. And there are lots of, see, it's not like that it was perfect classes. There were some flaws, of course. So how can we improve our sessions? We should sit for a review meeting, and after that we can go
Anushri,
ahead.
we will
No, what do you
discuss
think, Poonam?
later about this. Okay, go to sit.
Definitely.
I will call you. Okay?
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Love you, Poonam. Yeah,
Bye, Krishna.
an
Thank you.
excellent coordinator.
Love you all.
Okay.
Love you all.
Thank you so much, and
Excellent.
thank you everyone for attending.
Most